Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Roy Quiet Deluxe that I have found a little problem with. We're going to try to tackle on camera here today. So, one of the things that this came in, one of the problems this came in with was the screw right here on this tab rack was missing. And that's pretty straightforward. Just found a screw off another Quiet Deluxe and put it in where it belongs, right here. So, all is good. Rack is back in place, and I separated these evenly. Okay, so just getting ready to start cleaning this and work on it, and I noticed the when I return the carriage by hand like this, I feel a bind right there a little bit. Not too bad on those. But this one actually can stop it right there. And then there's a click right there, and there's a click right there. But when I move the carriage with the release arms, smooth as could be. So, time to investigate. I'm thinking it's catching on the rails like some of these, you know, or something, but it's kind of weird that it's free like this. So pretty quickly I turned this around, and I could see right away when it's over here. And when you hit the carriage release on the Quiet Deluxes, it raises this tabulator bar like that. That goes up with the button. What's happening is the tab stop lever right here is actually touching the bottom of these right there. It didn't touch that one. It's touching that one. Touching that one. Touching that. Just barely touching that. And that's what's doing it. So it's catching right there, and there. So I did grab another Quiet Deluxe after looking at this and trying to determine what to do here. If maybe this lever was too far up, or maybe it's not working right. See, when the tab works, it raises that bar, which also raises the levers here. So I don't think I even knew this. So it raises the carriage release levers when you hit the tab button, because it's all interconnected. So all this does is push this bar up, which does a carriage release. So it does tab stops like that. But like I said, it's catching. So I wasn't sure if this piece was too high or interfering with the case here. So I got another one that I have sitting around and took a look. And this piece is in the same spot, except for there's just a slight amount of clearance, more clearance between that rack and the tabulator piece right here. So, then I got looking a little more of what to do to solve this. And I did find an adjustment. First I was going to try to form this bar up at these points here, over here, and try to raise it up just a fraction. So we'll clear that. Just needs to go up a hair. But I got looking, and I did find an adjustment point here. But the only trouble is it does have something to do with the carriage release right here. So this moves to the rack. You don't want to mess this up and get this out of adjustment. But if you look real close, there's a little stopper right here, right there. And that, if it was adjusted, you know, just a fraction, you know, like put a spacer right in here, it would raise this just a fraction, just a little bit like that right there. So this is definitely an adjustment point that can be formed, and that's what I'm going to do right now on camera. We're going to adjust that ever so slightly because I really don't want it affecting anything else in here. So I'm going to take my little bender tool right here. Put some more light on here, and I'm going to form this as small as I can of an adjustment here. Not even sure if that went. Let me see if I can raise the carriage up here. I think I did get it. I think it went just a little bit because, well, looks like they're clear. Let's see. Yeah, not touching now. Very close. That one, I'm making a little wiggle there. Right there. That's from, oh, this tab is not out all the way. See that? There it goes. Okay, so that's that. That's it. That is super, super close. I don't think it's going to have any effect on anything else. That's it. So that's the adjustment if that's down a little too low. Perfect. All right. Another minor problem resolved. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.